Day to all the employers of Hong Kong. I am Jubel Lapus. I am 42 years old and I live in Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I am married and have two kids. I am a college undergraduate of secondary education, major in mathematics. I am 154 inches 8 centimeters in height. My previous work was in Kuwait for 3 years with 5 members of the families, including 2 adults and 3 children. My duties are washing and ironing the clothes, cooking, taking care of the babies and the newborn babies. And I'm also um, and I also worked in Singapore for 3 years with 3 elderly. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the garden, washing the car, washing and ironing the clothes, and cleaning the house. And I also worked in Dubai for 2 years with 8 members of the family, 3 adults, and 5 children. My duties are taking care of the children, cleaning the house, cleaning the garden, and washing the car. I'm willing to take care of newborn babies, kids, and healthy elderly. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods, and I am respectful, honest, cheerful, and responsible. I want to work in Hong Kong to give my family a better future. Hope you find me suitable to work in your family. Thank you, Mom and Sir.